Now this experiment is on the verification of the superposition theorem, and as you can have it here, you have the verification of superposition theorem. The purpose is to verify superposition for a given circuit. Then you have the apparatus, the regulated power supply. You have the voltmeter, though we are using the voltmeter on the device. Then we are using this ammeter, this analog ammeter, and the range is between 0 to 50 milliamp. Then we have the resistors. The resistor we are using here is 220 ohms, 330 ohms, and 560 ohms. And these resistors are the choked resistors. Then we have the breadboard and the connecting wires. These are the connecting wires. Now, if you look at the superposition theorem, it says that in any linear, bilateral, or multi-source network, the response in any element is equal to the algebraic sum of the responses obtained by each source acting separately, while all other sources are set equal to 0. Okay, so now we want to verify maybe this is true or not. Okay, so now let's look at the procedure. The procedure says that connect the circuit as per figure 1. So if you look at the figure 1, this is our figure 1. Okay, we want to connect as we have here. So we are using 220 as our R1, 330 as our R2, and 560 as our R3. So the positive of the supply 1, this is the positive of supply 1 connected to the first leg of the R1, and the circuit R1 is connected to the positive of the ammeter, and is also connected to the R3. So this is what we have here: R1, ammeter, and this. Okay. Then you also have the other leg of the R2 connected to the positive of the second supply. So you have the supply here for the second supply. Here is it here, and you have the other leg of the resistor 2 connected at this junction here. Okay, now after that you have the negative and negative of the two supplies connected together and connected to the R3. These are the negative of the the negative of the R2, the supply 2, and this negative of the supply 1. No, this negative of the supply 1, this negative of the supply 2, connected to the third leg of the second leg of the R3. Okay, now, so as you can see, the manual says connect the circuit as per figure 1. We have done that. They adjust the output voltage of sources P1 and P2, supply 1, supply 2 to appropriate value. So after you have ensured that your connections are properly connected, you on it. When you on it, so you adjust. You can see both of them are set to 0. We are using the voltmeter here, and when you are using it, your current knob must be set to maximum as you have here. And you can see we are not having any readiness since we are still having. So you set this one to, let's assume we are setting this one to 10. Assume you set this one to 10, then you set this one to 15 volts. So as you set this, so it has equivalent on the it has effect on the ammeter, so the current is reading. So now when we have 10 points, when we have our volt to be 10, and then the second supply to be 15. So our current is, you can see our current is 10, 15, 16, 17. This 17.5 or 8. So now the manual says now that you should set the power 1, you should set power 2, the supply 1 to 0. That is, it is shunt, just like what we have in this circle. It is shunt. So what it means that you are going to connect the leg R2 together with the R3, and that is what I have done here now. You can see, and so we are having on our, but it is only power supply 1 that is working now. So what we have here is 9 volts now. So let's do the same thing for the supply 2. That is, the supply 1 will be inactive and the supply 2 will be supply. So now this is now connect, it is shunt now, and there's only supply 2 that is working. It's still retain 15, and then the value of ammeter, is approximately 9 volts. So since the first one is roughly 9 volts and the second one too is also around 9 volts, so it means that this obey the superposition, it obeys superposition theorem. But this what we have at the IT. Okay, this is what we have as IT, 18 volt. So this concludes that superposition is obeyed practically. Thank you.